What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the top 10 highest paid nurses. I know that when I was thinking about going to nursing school, one of the questions on my mind was, how much money can I really make as a nurse? Well, I would say that nurses are probably underpaid in general for the amount of work that they do. It's definitely possible to make a very nice career for yourself as a nurse. I have another video where I talk about different certifications you can get and the different kind of salaries that come along with that. But today we're going to focus on our top 10 and let's get started. Coming in at number 10, we have our first assist nurses. These nurses make an average of $96,000 a year. This profession is perfect for anyone who's interested in surgery, wants to be in the OR, as a first assist nurse is exactly what it sounds like. It is the first assistant to a surgeon during any kind of surgery in so many different settings. At number 9, we have our classic, our family nurse practitioner, who makes around $98,000 a year. This nurse is going to act essentially just like a PCP, doing annual checkups and helping with patient problems that don't require the hospital or a specialist. At number 8, we're moving away from the bedside to the nurse administrator. This nurse is going to make approximately $100,000 a year. You can find these nurses in any setting doing more of the operational side of nursing. Number 7, we have our pain management nurse, who makes about $101,000 a year. These nurses are going to work with any patients who are experiencing pain, whether that be post-op pain or chronic pain, and they will work with the rest of the care team to identify the source of that pain and come up with the best treatment plan for it. At number 6, we have our NICU nurses making approximately $102,000 a year. This is the perfect profession for anybody who wants to merge their love of kids with their love of critical care. If those are passions of yours, this could be the perfect career for you. Smack dab in the middle, we have our certified nurse midwife making about $108,000 a year. This is the perfect career for anyone who is passionate about labor and delivery, who is passionate about working with women, and just wants to take that career to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have our psychiatric nurse practitioner at $105,000 a year. This is the perfect career for anyone who is interested in mental health. This is such a big area of healthcare that I think we are just now opening up into, and it's only going to get bigger and bigger, so this career is not going anywhere. At number 3, we have our clinical nurse specialist making about $106,000 a year. This is any nurse who wants to work on a specialized unit or in a specialized clinic. Our number 2 is our general nurse practitioner, who makes $111,000 a year. This is perfect for any nurse that wants to advance their career and potentially go out on their own and open their own practice. There are so many possibilities for nurse practitioners to kind of find their niche and do what they love with it. Then number 1, our big kahuna. I talked about this in my last video, and this career certainly takes the cake. This is our certified registered nurse anesthetist, who are going to make an average of $181,000 a year. Whew, that is pretty good. I wouldn't be complaining. Essentially, this nurse is going to act just like an anesthesiologist. They're going to handle all of the anesthesia for surgery, most of the time working entirely independently and monitoring the patient during the surgery. This career takes advanced degrees and a very in-depth set of knowledge to complete, so we can see why they make the big bucks. So I hope you found this video helpful. It was an extremely brief overview. If you have any questions or you want to hear more in depth about a certain career path that I mentioned today, I would be happy to do videos on each of them individually. So let me know in the comments below what you would find the most helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because I put up new videos every Monday. See you next week. Bye.